Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. It's Friday, December 2024. This is probably going to be the first video of the channel, even though I have all this other footage that I didn't get to upload yet. There's Pogi. Say hi, Pogi. That's your poop. No head scratches for what you did. So I'm posting this as the first video, just so I get a first video out there. Just to share that not everything is roses and daisies when it comes to taking care of a parrot or any animal. It's gonna be good and bad, right? The hugs and kisses from a dog, and then the mess that they leave. In this case, Pogi won't even let me talk. I'm talking here, Pogi. I'm talking. Yeah, you're in the video, don't worry. So, anyway, I wasn't going to record this at first. I decided I should, so you can see everything. I just left Pogi for, I'd say, I usually let him free roam for longer, but say about 30 minutes or so, maybe 45, less than an hour for sure. And he usually does no damage to this extent, but I guess he got bored, because when he gets bored, he really likes to chew on paper and cardboard and stuff. So he left this mess. Fortunately, bit through the fabric, which Lola will not like. This part here, she won't like that, which is why she doesn't like him going outside of the cage. And then, of course, this organized mess here. It's organized because you see the pieces are pretty evenly cut. He's doing his thing. He is bored. I mean, imagine yourself in a cage, or even outside of the cage, but still not really doing anything with that thing or that mirror. Not much to do. I have the TV on, so he has some sound, but other than that, I imagine it's not that engaging if there's no other human or other parrot around. So I understand why you did this, Pogi. I understand why. Okay? Yes, I get it. Right. I understand. It's just now I gotta clean up. So I'm just showing that not everything is all pretty and nice all the time. You got the good and not necessarily the bad, just the reality. So always be conscious of that, and nothing to be upset about or anything. It's just, oh gosh, that's so bad. It's just how it is, and it's all good. So I'm gonna go clean this up, make it all tidy for Pogi. And see, he even bit. I just got this less than a year ago probably, and he already bit all of that around. And then same in the bottom. He chewed this part off. It was like that. The other side is fine, it's just one side. So I flip it around, but for some reason Lolo puts it this way, and he doesn't see that Pogi can start attacking it this way too. So I try to flip it around, he just flips it back. All good. Yeah. This is the ending of the interview. You have anything to say? I think he said, okay, we got it. He said, please subscribe to the channel and sorry for the late uploads. Okay, got it. And promise to, okay, I understand. Okay, we promise to upload more content. Try to do it more regularly, and we'll see how it goes. Oh my gosh, pooped again, I understand. Okay, you're calling me that. I get it, I'm sorry. Okay, till next time, thanks for watching, and hopefully there will be more videos, and hopefully this gets at least 1,000 views. We'll see what happens. And this is the after. Uh-oh, spilling water. All cleaned up. Hey, Pogi. Put this in the cage. Okay. Water, food, cleaned up. How's it going? Still think I did a bad job, huh? Understood. Oh. Vacuum. Clean floor. So, back to normal. And that is all for this video. Thanks again for watching. If you like this type of content, please subscribe. We appreciate it. Okay, you don't have to mimic me. Sheesh. Making fun of me. Trying to help us out here. What Pogi was saying in not as nice of a way is please like, comment, subscribe. Anything is much appreciated. So thanks for your time. And until next time.